When I was younger, I was living in South Wales. Kind of medication in the school when I was in primary school was a bit. It was really disappointing. So I had a massive passion for the language. I used to go home really excited, saying all the sentences and all the new words I learned. And when I got into, I think it was primary school. Oh wait, when I was 10 years, I don't know what school I was. When I got into my 10-year-old, the education suddenly stopped. The details and the languages, the details and the sentences, and there was nothing going on there. I think I spent 2 years without almost any education, Welsh education at all. And it wasn't until I went into, when I was 13, I went into a school where they had Welsh classes. But sadly, the teacher was of such low quality that she was a wonderful human being, but she had no ability to control the class. So I then spent the next 2 years learning nothing, and it was really disappointing, because when I got from when I was 15, I had the choice of doing French or Welsh, and I was so disheartened by the teaching standards in that school. I ended up doing French, and I've spent my entire adult life wishing I'd stuck with Welsh. I'm going to be learning this summer, but it's one of those really annoying things I wish I had it when I was younger. But it was just so bad.